what do you do when you have elements that go off of your page or off of your, in this case, business card? So let's go ahead and let's say we want to design our business card, right? We've got kind of these shapes. Let's give some shapes, some light colors. Maybe here I want the card itself to have kind of a darker color maybe. And then we'll have some kind of lighter shapes on top of it. And let's make that lighter. Of course, these top shapes are not going to have a stroke. All right. But these go off, right? These go off of the page, and that looks really unprofessional. So let's do this. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rectangle. We could draw a new one, but it's just even easier to take. If it's locked, go ahead and unlock it. Drag the template rectangle or drag your rectangle down. And just so we can see what's happening, I'm going to take the fill off of this one. Let's move that new rectangle to the top. Well, actually, maybe just so you can see what's happening, I'll make that a lavender color. So here's what we have. We have this rectangle. It's the same exact shape as our bottom rectangle. I'm locking the bottom rectangle. I'm going to select these three shapes, the clipping mask shape, because that's what we're going to do, and then the two circles that go off of our page. I've got this selected. The clipping mask is on top. I'm going to pull down the object menu all the way down to clipping mask and then make. How cool is that? So if we look in the layers panel, you can see what it did. It says clip group, and the two pink circles are now on top of the clip group. And then it says rectangle. It's kind of clever. So what we can do is we can actually even just turn that one off. If we turn off the eyeball, you can see, that temporarily turns off the clipping mask. Now, if I zoom in, I will notice that this rectangle at the bottom, right, that thick border kind of stops. And that's really distracting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unlock, and I'm going to duplicate one more time by dragging our template rectangle. See, select that, drag it down to the new layer button, and it makes a duplicate. I'm going to put the duplicate all the way at the very top, not in the clip group, on top of the clip group. And I'm going to make sure that has a black stroke and no fill. So now we have the heavy border. And then we have the circles that are contained into the card shape. Now, of course, we're going to lock the layers once we're done with them, and then we can keep designing.